Okay, correlation and stuff. Here we go. First question. There's an outlier somewhere on here and we have to give the coordinates. Well, okay, I've plotted I've tried to recreate the graph reasonably accurately. These points are not perfectly accurate, but it's roughly something like that, okay? Look, this is obviously the outlier, isn't it? It's the only one that isn't anywhere near the straight-ish line that the others are all on. So there's the outlier, and the coordinates, if you look at your question sheet, are 4, 10. Okay? 4 hours revising and 10 marks. Okay. Draw the line of best fit and describe the correlation. Grab your ruler and clearly we're going to draw a line something like this. Now, don't take it too far beyond the final point here and too far in this direction beyond this point here, because the line of best fit should only really cover the region in which the points are plotted. So I'm going to draw it freehand, you're going to use a ruler, and it should look, try and get roughly the same number of points north of the line as south, okay? So let's just go for this. So we're going to go from about there, so just slightly beyond this point here. Right, here we go. And just slightly beyond that point there. Have I got the same number of marks of points above the line as below? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 above it, 1, 2, 3, 4 below it, and maybe 5 below it and 1 on it. Not bad, that's good enough. Okay. Right, describe the correlation. Well, it's a positive correlation. Okay, correlation is positive because it's like that. Were it like that, it would be negative. Estimate the mark of the student who studied for 9 hours. Okay, 9 hours revising is here. Okay, so we go up to the line. Where are we? Up and along. So go up and along. So I make it about 63. Okay. Looking at the mark scheme there, accept anything between 60 and 70. Again, this is hand drawn. Yours will be more accurate because you've got the actual thing on your question sheet. But yeah, just go up and along to the line of best fit you've drawn. So 9 up and along, somewhere between 60 and 70. Okay, Lucia says, I can see from the graph that had I revised for 18 hours, I would have got full marks. Comment on what Lucia says. No, Lucia, you shouldn't say things like that. Lucia is claiming that had she revised for 18 hours, she would have got full marks. Now, Lucia shouldn't really claim that because she's talking about a region that's outside of the region of data that we have. This final point here only corresponds to 13 hours. Okay, but she's talking about something going on beyond the range of data. And you can't extrapolate the line of best fit. You can't assume that it's going to continue to be straight. Okay? Also, I mean, in reality, it's likely, don't draw this, okay, in your exam, but I'm just going to show you, in reality, it's probably more likely to start curving like this because this is a test. It's impossible to get more than full marks. And the more you revise, it's going to take you closer to full marks probably, but you can't guarantee you're going to get full marks. So in reality, it probably curve like that. Yeah, that's it. It's only 1 mark for that final question. Say something like that. Okay, there we go.